See how good we can get her. Ah, what the hell? There we go. Need something to steady my shot. All over the fucking place. Fucking annihilated that thing, huh? Give it a run?
Right. Good old wolf, huh?
Oh yeah. I'll run down and check that out. That's the actual distance.